Uh, what's up, internet? My name is Rollins. I'm coming to you from East Africa. This is Kenya. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is basically a crypto video. I'm coming to you with another banger on crypto. Something very special that is happening very recently in the crypto market, and why you must claim your part. You must make sure that you're benefiting from the developments in the crypto ecosystem. So there's one very important development in the crypto market, one various development that I just want to give it to you very fast. So the story on Reuters news platform that says that Russia has apparently been using crypto. This is Tether and Bitcoin and Ethereum to import, to export oil. As in, they've been receiving these cryptocurrencies for oil exports to India and China. So basically, the problem they've been trying to solve is called an escrow problem. Because initially, what was happening is that when Russia was selling oil to India, for instance, due to a shortage of US dollars, India was paying Russia Indian rupees. So Russia was accepting rupees, and then after that, they will be able to change them back into US dollars. But now there was no dollars in Russia, so it was a problem for Russia to be able to change the Indian rupees into dollars. The same thing with China. So what has been happening is that Russia has been exporting oil to India and China, and then taking the currencies. So they've been selling the oil to India and China, and then they get paid in rupees and Chinese yuan. So what they do then, they transfer, or they convert the Indian rupees into crypto. So they use the Indian rupees to buy Tether, or to buy Bitcoin, and to buy Ethereum. So then from Ethereum now they're able to sell on crypto exchanges and then get dollars. So this is what has been happening. And so far they have been able to sell oil worth 192 billion US dollars using this method. So it has proved to be a successful way of Russia being able to go around the dollar shortage problem, the sanctions problem. So that's what has been happening. And before then, there's a video that I did earlier before saying that Russia could begin selling oil in exchange for crypto, especially XRP. So this development is the latest one that shows that this trend is actually taking place. And this is a very strong development, because that's what it means is that countries that export oil, like Iran, which are sanctioned by the US, could actually accept payments in crypto. They could choose to accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and all that, because they can then convert this crypto into US dollars using the online crypto exchanges. So this is basically what has been happening, and it doesn't stop other countries that are sanctioned by the US, including Venezuela, which already does this. Venezuela and many other countries could actually be able to do this. But now the question is, the supply of Ethereum and Bitcoin is limited. And so we're looking at a possibility whereby, because XRP has a very huge supply, this could be an opportunity for these countries to be able to tap into the huge volume of XRP in exchange for their oil exports. And this is the thing, this is the biggest thing that could unravel massive acceleration of cryptocurrencies. This is the thing that is remaining. This is the thing that is remaining. Remember, these cryptos have been adopted by banks. They have been acquired by individuals. They have been accepted by individuals, by banks, and now it's countries that have been lagging behind. So, given that the US has already expressed interest in having a strategic reserve for various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum and XRP and Solana, and Cardano. So the US has already made a move to be able to legalize or maybe to adopt cryptocurrencies. So other countries that have come on board now, we have Russia that is doing this, and then Venezuela is also doing this. So we expect other nations like Iran to follow suit if they're not doing it already. This is a very big, it's a massive development. And don't you forget that the BRICS countries have also been working around this problem of going around the US dollars. There's like so many countries have been trying to go around the USD because the USD has proved to be a very challenging currency to lay hands over or to acquire. So these cryptocurrencies, if the US, which has already begun to adopt them, because the US is a key trendsetter in the world, so the US has already set a precedent to be able to start using crypto as a government, and therefore the US will force other companies like banks in the US to be able to accept the use of crypto. So this, if you are not in crypto, I don't know what you're waiting for. If you're not enthusiastic and investing in crypto, you're missing out in a big way. You're missing out in a big way. Because there's no way the world will go back to the dollar standard. The dollar is coming to its end. And there's no other currency that is ready to take that part. Chinese yuan is way out, way far off away from replacing the dollar. Chinese yuan, the global reserves, Chinese yuan are like 2%. And the US is like 59%. So the cryptocurrencies are the ones that are leading the march when it comes to the ability to replace the US dollar. And cryptocurrencies are good because they are numerous, because they are different cryptocurrencies, which means that they can serve different purposes. This is a game changer. This is a massive game changer. So this is just a wake-up call for anyone who does not have crypto in their investment portfolio. To really think about it, because this is a massive wealth transfer operation that is taking place. Especially XRP, because it's cheaper to acquire. It has the volumes that are needed in order to be able to move trade in commodities like oil and other things. So XRP is a major focus because of its volumes and the fact that it's been adopted by multiple banks across the world. So this is your chance. I'm just giving you a tip, a massive game changer. It's a game changer. Guys, that's what I wanted to pass on today. I just hope that you've gotten something from this video. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Thank you.